So here we are, August the 4th, and they're doing great. I've had no problems with bugs eating the leaves. They've just done really well, and I've got this one over here, I think, very soon, it's loosening up skin around it. So let's get a ceiling view. Okay, so it's September 16th, and now you can see it's starting to die down, and the loofah that have formed are, I've already harvested some, but they're starting to get ready to, look at that one, I need to pull that one down, and this one, and that one. So it's harvest time, because the vine is giving up the ghost. It's going to be good compost.